Today we are going to create a simple bouquet using flowers from my balcony garden. Growing your own flowers can be one of the simplest things that can brighten up your day. By making a bouquet of flowers for a loved one, you're spreading some love, joy, maybe just give them a big old smile. Please continue watching as I make the simple bouquet of beautiful flowers and share some updates on my balcony garden. Here we have my cat Cupcake roaming around, checking the garden to make sure there are no unwanted visitors. The flowers that we're going to be working with today in this video are going to be my yellow zinnias and my snapdragons to make this beautiful bouquet. Hello you guys, it's me being Tori. As you can see, I'm out here in my garden and I'm going to be doing my typical bouquets that I usually do. This video at the last day of May. I was waiting for my flowers to, bloom and everything. So it's like the very last day of May that I'm filming this video to make my bouquet. I was waiting for some flowers to bloom, and I have some updates that I'm going to share with you guys about my garden. And so I hope you guys continue watching. By the time you see this video, hopefully I can get it out, but by the time you see this video, it might be the month of June. So it's going to be like a May-June bouquet. But so like I said, you guys, I hope you guys continue watching and check out my other videos, and let's get on to gardening and make a bouquet for the month of May. So I see some more potential zinnias that I want to get cut for our bouquet that we're going to make today. So I see this one is not fully ready to go. I'm going to give it some time, let it be. And this one I'm loving, and maybe this one. I don't know, I'm really looking at this one, you guys. And some I want to keep on the flower so I can collect the seeds and just not cut them for the bouquet. So I'm just gonna keep some. Like this one, I don't think it's ready for me to cut. It's like I'm not done. I'm not fully bloomed. This one, really not fully bloomed, but it's gonna be part of the bouquet. But we know this one is ready to be cut and ready for the bouquet. So I'm just gonna gently put it here, and let's get more cutting going. So I'm cutting some more. Trying to cut like at a 45-degree angle. We're probably gonna get this one too, you guys. So here we go. And it's a very long stem. Oh, this is gorgeous, you guys. This is very, very beautiful. So you guys, look at my little bouquet already, you guys. So here you have is my finished bouquet. I make sure each stem touched the water, and I think I did a pretty good job. And here you go is my end of the month May bouquet. Probably by the time you see this June. But here we go, the finishing touch. Isn't that just beautiful, you guys? So you guys, just a little quick update. These were my salvias that I were growing. They were, if you guys watch my other garden videos, you can see they were tall and luscious and beautiful, but I will blame myself. There were some sap-eating bugs on here, and I didn't forget, you guys, I was being a lazy gardener, and I didn't take care of it as soon as possible, and so all the stems that were in this beautiful salvia were just dead. The flowers weren't growing. But then you guys can see I have 3 more potential growths right here. And what I did was, my boyfriend's mother told me about coffee grounds, and I also used some soap and water. And by the time I came back, the bugs were pretty much gone. And I did hit it. Every single thing that you see here is pretty much gone. Here are my snapdragons. If you see earlier, you can see some are missing because we made the bouquet. But I let my snapdragons dry up and I collected the seeds. So make sure you check out that short of me collecting the seeds of my snapdragons. And they're tiny, tiny, cute little seeds. And I'll be ready to grow some more. Here is some more of my salvia that I did hit it. I really need to work on getting rid of these branches. Let's see, I think I see a little bug there. Can you guys see that? Yeah, I need to work on that. So this will be my next project, you guys. And here is my other snapdragons, growing nice. And here we have my coneflower. Look how tall that's gonna be, growing as well. And it didn't get to be part of my bouquet this time, but maybe in June. Maybe in June. So I'm gonna walk you guys over here to my strawberries. I'm hoping these will grow. Hopefully I will see something by the month of June. Hopefully we'll get a strawberry or two. And here is my propagated rosemary. Another little snapdragon. So I'm hoping my strawberries will grow. Hello, I just want to say thank you if you made it this far, and thank you for watching. I have a question for you, so comment down below. How often do you water your flowers in your garden or your plants in your garden? Do you water them in the morning, evening, or nighttime? I usually prefer to water mine at the nighttime. I wait for the sun to go down and they soak up all the water. But in this video, I'm watering them in the daytime because I forgot to water them the other day. I really give thanks to having a balcony garden. It gives me so much to do, and I also get to bring in beautiful bouquets of flowers after watching my flowers grow and bring them into my home to make my house a little more happier. I also like having this balcony garden because it gives time for my cat to go outside and have her little adventures. So I really enjoy having this balcony garden. Gardening is good for the mind, body, and soul. Trust me, I know it's good for the body because I'm moving around here and there. Good for the soul, brings me joy. Good for my mind because I'm working my brain. And you know, I'm getting my steps in as I water my plants here and there. I'm walking back and forth, and filling up that jug of water. So that's why I love having this balcony garden.